just put my attention on the brain becoming less.
That's all, nothing else. Don't attend to anything else.
All right.
With every breath, release the brain. Some people can release the brain in on inhalation better. Some people can release it on exhalation better. Do whichever works for you. So if you release the brain inwards on inhalation, then on subsequent exhalation, don't let it go out. But don't do any of that muscularly. It's merely by thought. And if the muscle keeps interfering, then do it chanting. But silent chant. The sense of the eyes is, the eyes get introjected, as though two light rays are entering through the eyes, meeting in the back of the skull. Same way, sense of hearing introjected. So from the inner ears, the same two rays travel to meet in the same point in the back of the skull. Sense of tongue also the same way. Sense of touch from your lips, same way. No need to work with the sense of taste, but the tongue has to be relaxed completely. See that all the fibers of the tongue muscle are falling away from each other. So the tongue is wide and short, not narrow and long. While that is a muscular action, see that that is done as relaxing thing, not a muscular activity. And then tell everybody to be quiet, including me.